217 million people worldwide cope with moderate to severe visual impairment. Prescription glasses, contact lenses, and surgery fail to offer these patients the level of useful magnification that they need to function well. Innovega designed, patented, and confirmed through independent testing that its combination smart contact lenses and stylish lightweight glasses enable patients restored independence and freedom based on their new ability to achieve 20/20 vision. Patients see more of their world with up to 30 times magnification of their surroundings without the bulky, socially isolating first-generation headsets that are currently available.